It's my second attempt recording this video. I guess I got too long-winded on my first video and my memory ran out. I was using my phone, ran out of memory, so the video stopped. Okay, so this is Adam Automation guy's car. It's a Clio Bellacore. I like the back end of it. I think the back end looks better than the front end. I like his two-tone paint color here and how I did this, and the front end looks kind of neat with the grill. He always puts his headlights low. I guess that's just his style. If it works, it works. Yeah, I think it's a pretty neat looking car. One of these exhausts are fake because he got single exhaust. So let's go over actual build of the car. It's aluminium space frame, aluminium front longitudinal level wishbone front, multi-link rear +1 quality on that. It's a 60-degree V6 cast iron block, 3.791 inches on a bore, 3.62 inches on a stroke. It's 3,999 cc, so 4.0. 363 horsepower, 292 foot-pound torque, which is at red line. I'm like boosting ethanol on that. You know, I don't think that peak power should stop at red line. It's not even peak power. It's just limited, I guess, because they went further than you will get engine stress, which that would be taken care of if you chose better internals. But that's the one thing about this car that gets on my nerves, is the peak power, not even peak power, is just capped off like that. Been several ways you could avoid that. 74.4 months of reliability or warranty. I mean, cast iron head, VVL with a dual overhead cam, 4,000 per cylinder. Forged steel connecting rod, heavy duty forged it's cranked as forged steel, heavy duty forged connecting rods and forged pistons. +3 quality on that. One thing I do like about this car, it's got a little bit of plus quality everywhere, just a little bit. But somehow that drives the prices way up. I talked to Rob, one of the developers for automation. I showed him some comparable cars that I made to real life cars, and I, just requested for a buff in horsepower, torque, and fuel mileage, and nerfed the prices just a little bit. But I didn't change his mind. He's going to keep things the way they are. So I tried to work with him. The compression is 11.6 to 1. Cam profile is 47. VVL 85. VVT all cams, +1 quality on that. Naturally aspirated. Direct injection per cylinder. Performance intake, premium octane, completely leaned out fuel mixture, ignition times 49, RPMs at 7,000, rev limiter, +2 quality on that. Long tubular headers, single exhaust, 3 inches on exhaust diameter, bypass valves, high flow 3-way straight through muffler on the first muffler, +2 quality on that. I think he could have chose better headers. Let's see. Maybe it's because the exhaust is kind of... Yeah, he could have went for race tubular headers there. Dark gray is the color, and fade black is the second color, I guess, up here. Which don't look fade black to me. It just looks like a real dark metallic gray. Maybe even a little black. It's longitudinal rear-wheel drive, dual clutch, 6-speed dual clutch, electric LSD +1 quality on that. Radial medium compound tires with 255 in the rear, 225 in the front. 50 aspect ratio on the rear, 45 on the front, 20-inch rims, magnesium rim material with +3 quality on that. Vented 3 piston, 15 inches on the front, vented 1 piston, 11 inches rear, pad top 45 with 1.5% brake fade, 50/50 brake bias, and quality is +2 quality on that. Fully clad, no cooling flaps, 15 airflow on the brakes, and +2 quality on that. 4-seater luxury with a luxury sat nav, +2 quality on that. Electric variable power steering, electronic stability control, +1 quality on that. Advanced 10 safety, +1 quality on that. Active sport, semi-active, passive. It's +1 quality on that. So 65.8 safety points, 56.4 on the bumper warranty on a month's, 25 miles per gallon. 71.5. I need to wake up. $71,500. I'd knock a few $1,000s off of that just because I don't agree with the pricing on these cars now that they messed with them. 185 miles per hour top speed, and 0 to 62 in 5.82 seconds. Quarter mile in 13.98, so 14 seconds. Stops from 62 to 0 in 120 feet. That's about all. So let's go over to points. Give it a duck score. An 80 score. So features is pretty up to date. I give it a 7 out of 10. Acceleration, a little on the quick side, so I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Safety is a little safer than average, so I give it a 6 out of 10. Economy is just a little below average. I give it a 4 out of 10. Engine's got a pretty decent, I say a little good engine warranty, so I give it a 7 out of 10. It's not a very practical car at all. I give it a 1 out of 10. If it's over 400 in a cubic volume, cargo, whatever, I would give it a 2 out of 10. But since it's less than 400, I'll show you what I'm talking about. Detailed stats. Cargo volume. Those two words are trying to come up with math at the same time. It's 324 liters. So if it was over 400, I would have gave it a 2 out of 10. But since it's under 400, I gave it a 1 out of 10. What did I leave off at? Oh, the bumper to bumper warranty is really good. Pretty good. I give it a 7 out of 10. Value, it's a little expensive. I give it a 4 out of 10. Yeah, 4 out of 10. Importance, it's not important, but it's not really important. I feel like it's mass produced. I feel like it's a luxury model car, coupe. So I give it a 5 out of 10. Fun factor, I give it a 7 out of 10, which gives it a total score of 54 out of 100. Oh boy. Well, if I stop the recording, I've been so mad. I got a little clumsy. So I got like a 5-star rating here. Bad, fair but unsatisfactory, average, good, excellent. This car with 54 points, it falls in the good category. So this is overall a good car. So I'll give it a 4 out of 5. So thank you, Adam, the automation guy, for your submission. And yeah, that's it.